Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager, and today is September 27th, 2012, and we're going to take a look at the setups here now. Now, when this first gap presented itself, even though we broke through support here, okay, right here would have been the entry. The filter did not agree, so there was no selling there. Then it came down, then it came up, and when it came up the second time after breaking, definitely breaking through support here rather quickly, you would have sold it right there. The filter did agree, okay? It would have went down in your favor about 9 pips, then would have went against you about 4 pips. If you held on to it, well, it went down about 27 pips. And there was, another couple entries in here and here, and here. But it didn't really go, and then she turned. Okay, and then in the U.S. session, there's no trade here in the U.S. session. This news spike here up and down. The filter was black. There was no trading. And then when it came back down again, let's line this up. Yeah, it was blue. No, it wasn't blue. It didn't turn blue till way up here. So there was no trades in here, ladies and gentlemen. However, once we did come back down again, we broke through this support. Actually, we bounced pretty much off this one. I wouldn't call that a trade either. There's no trade there either. And then it came back up, and if you sold it here, well, I wouldn't have done that either because it bounced off of this level to a T. That's why I tell you when you start out your day, you got to mark out support and resistance. You got to put lines on your chart, okay? Like look at that. See right here? Why did it sell off here? Because it sold off of here. Why did they buy off of here? Because they bought off of this. They buy. Professional traders buy off support and sell off resistance. Anyway, not much trading here today other than in the UK session. They had a couple sell trades that worked out. Okay, so anyway, that's for the euro for the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute now. Okay. What's going on with this? Why is there a line there? I got that at the wrong place. Or do I? I don't know. Something's weird here. What's going on with this? Goes to 19. 19 and then 9. Anyway, I don't know what's going on with the chart here. Something weird. Some data corruption. It's showing the 26th. Here's the 27th. I don't know. It's like they lost connection or something. Anyway, they definitely did. I can't even show you the trades here because the chart's all screwed up. Okay. It's all screwed up. Yeah, because like I put it, there's 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's right there. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, that's all screwed up. Let's just forget about that one now. Okay, we'll move on to the Swiss. We'll move on to the Swissy here now. So on the Swissy, same thing as the euro. You couldn't buy it here because the filter did not agree below. Okay, you could not sell it on the euro. The filter did not agree. Okay, didn't really turn blue till like way up here. If you bought a dip up here, you bought a couple dips, you did okay. And then she turned around, went this way. Nothing agreed there either. Nothing agreed here either till way up here. It's just like nothing's agreeing here. Got a data corruption here or something. Anyway, here's the pound. Chop chop. We started here. I don't see anything to. You wouldn't have bought anything here until it broke through here and pulled back, which it didn't. And it came down and it came back up. It's just a mess. Just a mess. Then over here, once we broke through this resistance right here, okay, right there, you broke out through there, you would have bought a dip here, okay, and it went sideways and then it went up for you. Gave you about 10 pips drawdown and gave you about 30 pips maximum to the top. Anyway, you could have bought a couple dips in here and that was it. Now it's coming back down, as you can see. Filter's not even agreeing here. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the setups for today. Just want to mention one last time. Time is running out to sign up for the mentoring. If you didn't sign up yet, I urge you to do it. It's going to be really awesome learning how to trade the 5 different entries I'm going to show you, the 3 different divergences, which are so powerful you would not believe. So many times in using PipSnager, you know, you're looking to buy a dip or sell a rally, and there's divergence there, and it would tell you don't do it. And you know, if you've found yourself a few times, you know, trading PipSnager and you're buying the last dip and it didn't work out for you, or you're selling the last rally, oh look at she's coming down, right? And it didn't work out for you. Well, if you know how to trade divergence and you know how to spot it and see it, that would totally save you from losing on those trades. And this is why I urge you, I'm telling you, man, you need to learn this divergence. It's going to save you so many times because most divergence setups, how they set up is they'll have a high, then a higher high, like on the chart here, okay? And it'll show the divergence, so it'll show you don't be buying up here. It'll show you get ready to sell instead. And the reason why you'll have, you know, a high and a higher high or a low and a lower low is because, boy, is she ever tanking right now, the euro. Wow. Anyways, because they go and they hunt the stops, okay? So when price goes in and puts in the high, you know, there's all these people selling in here, okay? Then they go up and they get the stops. Okay? It's dirty tricks. And the same thing, you know, when you're looking at a low and a lower low, you know. It's the same deal, you know. Like right here, okay? Here's lows put in. They came down. They got the stops. Then what did they do? They came down again right here and got the stops, and up it went. Okay? Where if you know how to trade divergence, you wouldn't be selling it in here because you would know that there's divergence setting up and it could be going the other way. And the whole reason why it sets up is because these banks and dirty traders go after people's stops. That's why. Anyway, I just told you a little tidbit, my precious snaggers, of what you're going to learn inside my course. So I'm hoping you're going to, you know, take the plunge here and sign up because you won't regret it, I assure you. You're going to learn some top-notch killer trading material. Okay, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Tuesday, October the 2nd. Take care.